Welcome to Counting and Colors Under the Sea. Today, we will be talking about numbers, colors, and ocean animals. Come along with me on this learning adventure as we talk about the numbers, the colors, and the ocean animals. Number 1, O-N-E. I see one blue whale. Number 2, T-W-O. I see 2 orange seahorses. Number 3, T-H-R-E-E. I see 3 red octopus. Number 4, F-O-U-R. 4. I see 4 gray sharks. Number 5, F-I-V-E. I see 5 pink clownfish. Number 6, S-I-X. I see 6 pink jellyfish. Number 7, S-E-V-E-N. I see 7 green snails. Number 8, E-I-G-H-T. I see 8 orange starfish. Number 9, N-I-N-E. I see 9 green turtles. Number 10, T-E-N. I see 10 red crabs. 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Having fun, kids? Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.